Welcome to the Science Hub Academy.
Today, we are going to learn about the digestion in small intestine. It is a highly coiled tube. Its length is 7 meters. There are 3 parts of small intestine. 1, duodenum, 25 centimeters long, jejunum, 2.5 meters long, and ileum, 4 meters long, 13 feet.
Duodenum is the first part of small intestine, located just below the stomach in the upper right side of abdomen. Duodenum receives secretions from liver and pancreas. Liver secretes bile, whereas pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. In this diagram, duodenum, liver, green-colored gallbladder, and yellow-colored pancreas are shown. Closely observe bile duct and then pancreatic duct. Before entering into duodenum, these both ducts join to form a common duct.
Liver secretes bile. Bile is a green fluid that is released by liver and stored in the gallbladder, and then through bile duct released into duodenum. Bile is composed of salts. These salts break large fat molecules into small droplets of fatty acids. In this way, a milky fluid is produced. Fat droplets are kept separated through this process, and this process is called emulsification. Bile also contains pigments that are formed when old red blood cells are broken in liver. These are removed from the body with feces.
Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice into duodenum through pancreatic duct that joins the common bile duct before entering duodenum. Pancreatic juice contains many enzymes. Pancreatic juice is composed of 1. Trypsin, 2. Pancreatic amylase, 3. Pancreatic lipase, 4. Water, 5. Sodium bicarbonate.
Pancreatic juice is an alkaline fluid. Trypsin digests proteins and break large proteins into peptides. Pancreatic amylase converts starch into maltose. Pancreatic lipase digests large fats into small fatty acids and glycerols. Water dissolves and carry many enzymes to lead digestion process. Sodium bicarbonate neutralizes the acidity of chyme. Do you remember chyme? In stomach, mechanical digestion and partial chemical digestion turns food into thick, sticky material, termed as chyme.
Small intestine have many glands inside its inner wall. These glands secrete several enzymes for complete digestion of all types of food. Jejunum is second part of small intestine. Its length is 2.5 meters. It absorbs most of nutrients, including 1. Glucose, 2. Amino acids, 3. Vitamins, 4. Minerals. These nutrients are finally poured in the bloodstream. Ileum is third and last part of small intestine. It is 4 meters long, 13 feet. It absorbs remaining nutrients. 1. Vitamin B12. 2. Bile salts. 3. Water. 4. Mineral salts. Absorption of food. After complete digestion, end products are absorbed in the villi. Single is called villus. The end products of digestion are 1. Amino acids, 2. Simple sugars, 3. Glycerols, 4. Fatty acids. Inner walls of small intestine are highly folded and make finger-like projections. These projections are called villi. Villi are made up of single layer of cells. Food molecules absorbs in this surface by means of diffusion and active transport.
Villi are provided with a network of capillaries and lymph vessels, lacteal. Glycerol and fatty acid enters lacteal of villi, and lacteals carry them to the main lymph vessel that empty into blood vessels near heart, whereas amino acids and simple sugars enter the blood capillaries of villi. These capillaries join to make hepatic portal vein.
This vein transports nutrients to liver. From liver through hepatic vein, these nutrients are transported to heart, and from heart to all parts of the body.